Welcome you to our YouTube channel. My name's John Kemo Ansa. In today's video, we'll be answering the question which is coming from the past paper 2021 Biology, paper 2, specifically in section B, question question 10 here. Here's the question. So the question is saying that explain the meaning of the following ecological terms. So here we have a habitat, community, niche, and B1 it's saying that using named examples explain what a food chain is. B2 explain how energy flows through the food chain. So actually this question, the whole question 10, it is coming from the topic which is called ecology. So let me shed more light on ecology. And ecology, it is the study of the interaction of living things and the environment. Then there are terms which are associated with the study of ecology. These terms are, we have an ecosystem, population, community, habitat, niche, then and species. And so let me define them, starting with an ecosystem. So an ecosystem, it is a definable area made of communities of living things that they interact with each other and their non-living environment or their environment. Example given, I can simply say a pond and a fish. In a pond, you can find a group of fish. So that group of fish, they interact with each other with their non-living environment, which is a pond. So a pond, it is non-living. While a group of fish or a school, it consists of living things, which are fish. Then we have a community. A community, it is a group of population found in the same area. Then a population, we can simply say that a group of organisms of the same species are living in the same area, interact with each other, and they live in the same area at the same time. Then we have a species or species. Species, it is a group of organisms with similar features that they interbreed to produce offspring. Then habitat, it is a place where an organism or a living thing lives. Example given, we have two habitats. There's aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. Aquatic, it is found in water. Then terrestrial on land. Then a niche, it is a specific role an organism plays in an ecosystem. Um, that's all about the terms which are associated with the study of ecology. Then there's the flow of energy. So in an ecosystem, they say that the principal source of energy, it is the sun. The energy that comes from the sun, it is called the solar energy. So the sun provides energy, or when it releases energy, uh green plants traps it. That light, it's the energy that comes from the sun, traps it to produce chemical energy, which is food, through the process of photosynthesis. Now our question here, question 10 1, habitat. So habitat, it's a place where organisms lives. Then a community, it is a group of population lives in the same area, they can interact with each other. Then we have a niche or niche, it is a specific role organisms play in an ecosystem. Then here it's saying that using named examples explain what a food chain is. Explain what a food chain is. So here a food chain, it is the sequence of feeding relationships that begins with the producer. So in an ecosystem, the producers are plants. Then we have the animals that feeds on plants, or organisms that feeds on plants, are called primary consumers. Then we have the secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. That's how a food chain is. Then explain how energy flows through the food chain. So the energy flows through the food chain. It starts from the so the flow of energy starts where the sun first of all produces light energy, then green plants traps it to produce chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. Then primary consumers get the energy from the plants. Then secondary consumers will feed on primary consumers. Tertiary consumers uh, will feed on secondary consumers. Then that's how the energy flows. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any question, you can comment below. A past paper, maybe you want us to solve it for you, to answer some questions, just comment below and hit the like button. Once again, thank you for watching.